We are Chipper LLC Trailers and Equipment, and this is the Sinolion MTS1230 Trommel. This trommel is built around three-phase electric motors for those with access to three-phase, but it also comes with a Kohler three-phase generator on board. It is towable, local, job site low-speed towing. It has dual 3,500-pound rigid axles. If purchasing for highway towing, it can be ordered with torsion axles and a heavier tongue. It has a 10-foot long drum that is 52 inches in diameter. The standard screen size is 1/2 inch, but other sizes can be ordered. The infeed conveyor is 22 inches wide and 6 feet long. The infeed hopper is 7.5 feet wide. Infeed and drum speed are independently adjustable. It has dual 39-inch wide, 8-foot long exit conveyors underneath. In this video, we are reclaiming dirt from decomposing wood products. This is actually the rejects from our Sinolion firewood trommel test we did earlier. If this pile were left to sit longer before being processed, much more of the material would be usable and much less would be oversized. But this is actually some material we needed to deal with. So we're going through this pile now to do the demonstration, and this is a pretty hard test as there is a lot of oversized material in this. Normal dirt would be probably 90% or 95% good product and 5% waste. This is probably more waste than there is good. But since there is so much oversized relative to dirt, we are restricting the feed rate to about 50 yards per hour. If we were processing better material, we could increase that rate. We processed 4 yards in just under 5 minutes, so that's the pace we were able to maintain with this material. But again, this is worst case scenario. From my experience, 50 yards per hour is really impressive for a screen in this price range and size, especially with the low quality material that's being pushed through it with a lot of oversize. I've run more expensive screens that don't even come close to this machine's abilities. I'm a big fan of this design. The large wide in-feed conveyor discharges directly into the drum, so it prevents bridging. The dual discharge conveyors on each side keep you from having to stop. Oversized materials discharged at the end can easily be pushed away with a loader, or you can discharge it onto an independent conveyor. So as mentioned earlier, the material we're dealing with here is, it originally was a big pile of leftover firewood material. So it is the bark and the sawdust and a little bit of dirt and just whatever got mixed in that was left over after hundreds of cords of firewood were processed this year. Now we're going back and taking what's salvageable dirt and pulling that out so that can be sold. The overs, in this case, we actually have to get rid of it, so we're just having to haul it out. Ideally, we would be able to pile these overs up and process them again after a couple of years, and it's a good way to show recycling in your business. A great thing for people who are like, I can't spend $40,000 on this is, so this $40,000 screen can easily process 50 yards an hour. Sinolion just came out with the new MTS0818, which is a 15 yard per hour screen. It serves both as a firewood trommel and as a soil screener by having firewood tumbler bars with this ability to put different screens on the outside of the tumbler bars. So it can process about 20 yards an hour of firewood as a trommel, or about 15 yards an hour of dirt as a screen. And those units are going to be free shipping and coming in under $10,000. See this screen as well as the new smaller MTS0818 models at chipperllcsales.com. Thanks for watching this video, and check out our website for more information. Thank you.